an amazing and fascinating game of cricket we watched today. Not in my wildest dreams did I ever think I'd watch such a game of cricket. Lot of us, maybe to a certain extent me as well, had written India off towards the end. But that one man, he stood in the way of defeat and said, not today, not on my watch. Virat Kohli, you are a very, very, very special human being, and India should thank its stars that we have a player and a citizen in India. Thank you so much, mate. Shakti India!
What an incredible day this was. India emerged victorious against Pakistan in their very first match in the ICC T20 Cricket World Cup. What an inning from Virat Kohli, who himself claimed that this was one of the best innings that he's ever played. And for the over 90,000 crowd that was gathered here at the MCG, it was a treat to watch India emerge victorious. At the MCG, Frankie Fernandez.